Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Miss Yonnaa. So today's video, I have a loungewear haul for you guys. I only have 4 pieces, but I still wanted to show you guys my 4 pieces. So this consists of long sleeve shorts. It's really like consists of everything. All the items are very good material. I am in love with everything. I'm gonna explain everything when we get into the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is the first set that I have. I'm covering my chest because I don't want my nipples to show. This set is so cute. It's pink, which is my favorite color. It is a short set. Let me back up so you can see. So, okay, I really wish you guys could feel the material. It is so smooth, like butter. It's like a buttery material. That's how smooth it is. If you see me looking over here, I'm just looking at my mirror. How good the material is. Like, come on. So I did get all of my items in a size medium, and yeah, this is such a cute like gym outfit, and I really like because it's pink. I'm just a pink girl. This is the type of gym outfit where it's not gonna like roll down on you. Like, just gonna pull this up so you can just get a visual of the bottom. I'm really standing on my tippy toes so you guys can get like a better look. But yeah, this is yeah, this is so cute. I really love it, and this is gonna be my next outfit for when I go work out. Then it has like this ruffle effect in the middle of the butt area, which is cute. So yeah, I really feel like this outfit is gonna be so cute this summer when I'm going to work out, when I'm just going to hang out. I just want to throw on a 2-piece, run a little errands. Okay, so let's move on to the next outfit. Okay y'all, so next is this black 2-piece set, and this is probably my favorite set. I love that it is cut off on the shoulder. The pants are really good too because they're like yoga pants, but they don't roll up, and so that means it's big booty friendly, and it's also tall girl friendly. I'm trying to bring y'all down. Okay, so hopefully y'all can see me better, but it's also tall girl friendly. Like, I can't even show y'all the whole like fit, but yeah. So I'm probably gonna be walking on my bottoms. Let me try and get like all the way to the back. Okay, so these are the bottoms. This is how the bottoms look. Okay, like I was saying, so this is in a size medium. I have no bra on with it. The shirt is pretty long. Material, look, no nipples showing, no nothing. Very smooth material. I'm also gonna have all the link down below, and I'm also gonna have fabric and what the clothes are made of. Cause baby, this is, yeah, this is like a must-have, and it looks so good on. And like I said again, I really like the pants because they don't roll up when I sit down. Every time I get like yoga pants, they usually do that. So yeah, yoga pants. So I really like this outfit. And this is an outfit you can literally wear for errands. You can work out in this outfit. You can go run your errands in this outfit. You can really do anything in this this outfit. You can go to a little get together in this outfit. Like, it's no rules to this. You can do whatever you want. Okay, y'all, so this next piece is a little different and it's kind of out of my comfort zone. I don't really wear like dresses like that, let alone dresses with like patterns, but I thought it was really different and really cute, and I ended up liking it. Still kind of getting used to it, but what drew my attention was probably the pattern. Like, I just thought it was really pretty and really elegant. I'm gonna step back. This is like a dress. It's giving like tennis, like a tennis dress. And then I also like that it came with shorts underneath. So if I was to go and be active in this, I don't gotta worry about showing all my goodies underneath. So it does come with shorts. And as you can see, the material will be on the screen. Yeah, I just thought this was really cute. You can go do like yoga or something in this. I don't know, like, this is a really cute active loungewear. We need cute things in our loungewear and our athletic wear. We need cute things because it makes us want to go work out and go do things. So this was really different and I really like it. So I did get this in a size medium and it fits perfect to the T. As you can see, I'm gonna come in on the material, really smooth, just like the rest of the items, just butter, like literally butter. I honestly feel like clothes with this quality of material is really worth the price, because the stuff when I compare what I get from Shein to like higher end items, I'd rather get the higher end items. I'd rather spend a little more on the higher end items because the material that I'm getting is a material that's gonna last way longer than Shein. But like, I'll probably have these items in my closet for years, and the workout clothes I got from Shein probably gonna tear up in a couple years. So, and this is still gonna be in my closet. But yeah, so this is technically a two-piece because it comes with the shorts. It's cute. I feel like it's giving like really girly. That's what I am over here. So okay, so this last piece is this top. I feel like this top was so different that I actually just had to get it. It got like a cutoff situation, two top bra situation, but also long sleeves. It's a lot going on, but I really thought it was really cute. The back is like that. So this is just the top, and I paired it with some regular black tights that I just got off Amazon. And yeah, I got this also in a size, I also got this in a size medium. This is what the material, hold on so I can focus. Material is giving just like all the other material, just smooth and buttery. I don't have on a bra obviously, but I feel like this top is so cute, and just on my skin complexion, this white is just really giving for me. Like, it's so different. I don't know, like, it's just so different. It's tight around here. It's not giving like it's loose or gonna fall or anything like that. I'm just really into like different tops like this. And babe, this is giving like, this is you walk into the gym and they be like, well, where'd you get that from? Or you walking around and be like, and they be like, oh my god, I love your top. Yeah, I know. But let me stop, I get so excited. So yeah, this is, like I said, a size medium. I just love when I see top that I normally don't see people with. That means like, yeah, I gotta get it. Like, I actually have to get the top because I don't see nobody with it. Like, I want stuff that nobody be having. I don't know what that's about. I'm just like that. But so yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about this top. This is probably my this is probably my favorite piece, and then the black one is my favorite. So this is first, the black is second, and yeah, y'all tell me what y'all think about the items that I just showed you guys. I really enjoyed making this video. So fun and cute showing you these clothes, the material. Everything is a 10 out of 10 for me. Everything will be linked in the description box. Also, like I said, I want a little bit of feedback of what you guys thought about these pieces and which ones were your favorite. Thank you so much for clicking and tuning in on my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.
Don't play with it, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not